Which multi-purpose blender is actually good? Simple question, but you might need to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 options that could transform your cooking game. Product number 1, Ninja BN801 Professional Plus. Let's kick things off with the Ninja BN801 Professional Plus kitchen system. Priced at $187.95, it's got a look that screams professional and functionality that backs it up. If you want a blender that handles everything from smoothies to dough, this is worth a serious look. So what makes this Ninja stand out? Plus, with 5 preset Auto IQ programs, you just hit a button and let it do the work for you. You'll get a 72 Oz pitcher for family-sized batches and a food processor bowl that can handle up to 8 cups. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're someone who often entertains or has a big family, this capacity is a lifesaver. Now I will be real with you, some users mention that it's a bit noisy, especially with tough ingredients. But here's the thing, with that kind of power, some noise is expected. If you're someone who can handle a little racket for the sake of efficiency, then this blender is a solid pick. This is perfect for you if you love making large smoothies or need a versatile machine for various kitchen tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact or quieter. But for the price, you're getting a lot of value here. Product number 2, Ninja Compact Kitchen System. Now, if the size of the Ninja BN801 was a concern, the Ninja Compact Kitchen System might be more your speed. At $129.99, it still packs a punch with 1200 watts of power. If you want a blender that can still do it all while saving some counter space, this is definitely worth considering. This blender has a stacked blade assembly that works wonders on frozen ingredients and ice, making it easy to whip up smoothies. It also includes a food processor bowl for chopping and dough, making it a versatile kitchen tool. With Auto IQ technology, you can let the machine decide the best blending patterns for your recipes. Here's why this matters. If you're juggling multiple tasks in the kitchen, this blender takes the guesswork out of your drinks. However, some folks have pointed out that blending tougher ingredients like whole frozen fruits takes a little longer. But honestly, if you're patient enough to let it do its thing, the results are usually worth it. This is perfect for you if you're short on space but still want great performance. Skip this one if you need a larger capacity, but at this price point, it's a fantastic option. Product number 3, ISILER 5-in-1 Immersion Blender. Moving on to a more budget-friendly option, check out the ISILER 5-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender for just $26.99. This one caught my eye because it's a compact powerhouse that multitasks like no other. If you want a quick and versatile tool for blending and chopping, this is worth a serious look. It's perfect for making baby food, smoothies, and even frothing milk for your coffee. The 8 speed settings mean you can really customize the texture of whatever you're making. Here's why this matters for you. If you're in a small kitchen or just want to keep things simple, this tool can save you time and space. However, I did see some reviews mention that the motor can overheat if used continuously for too long. But here's the thing, if you take breaks, it should work just fine for your everyday needs. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile, compact blender without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need something more powerful for larger batches, but it's an incredible value for what you get. Product number 4, ZKBHOME Immersion Blender. Next up is the ZKBHOME Immersion Blender, priced at $26.61. This one is interesting because it offers 1100 watts of power in a handheld format. If you want flexibility and convenience while blending, you might want to pay attention. What's cool about this blender is the trigger speed control, which allows you to adjust the blending speed from low to high with just a touch. This is super handy, especially when blending hot soups or delicate ingredients. Plus, it has a bell-shaped base to protect your cookware from scratches, which is a thoughtful touch. Here's why this matters. If you're into cooking and want to protect your pots, this will save you a lot of hassle. However, some users mention that it might not blend as smoothly as standalone blenders. But I think if you're using it for purees and soups, you can still get great results. This is perfect for you if you love making soups or smoothies without taking up too much space. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional blender, but at this price, it's a handy tool to have. Product number 5, Black Plus Decker Power Crush Blender. Finally, we have the Black Plus Decker Power Crush Blender, retailing for $39.99. This one is a classic for anyone looking for a reliable blender without the hefty price tag. If you want a straightforward, effective blender, this is worth your attention. It also has 4 speed settings, so you can adjust based on what you're making. Here's why this matters. If you want to whip up smoothies or crush ice efficiently, this design ensures you get consistent results every time. On the downside, some users reported that the glass jar can be a bit heavy to handle. But honestly, if you're looking for performance and durability, this jar can withstand quite a bit more than plastic alternatives. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly, reliable blender that does the basics well. Skip this one if you need advanced features, but you're getting a solid machine for the price. So there you have it. The Ninja BN801 and Compact Kitchen System shine for their versatility and power, while the ISILER and ZKBHOME immersion blenders offer flexibility and affordability. And let's not forget about the Black Plus Decker for those who want reliability without breaking the bank. Whichever you choose, you're bound to find a blender that fits your kitchen needs perfectly.